Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to teach us today how to use ChatGPT to create offer letters, to create Upwork um, job job offers or cover letters, as the case may be. Right? In this case, we'll be dealing with creating Upwork sample proposal for graphics designers. If you're a graphic designer and you work as a freelancer in Upwork, you can actually use this to craft, can actually use ChatGPT to craft convincing job proposals to clients, right? For example, this particular client is looking for a graphic designer to design a poster for their transportation company, right? So let's see how we can use ChatGPT to create something good, assuming you want to apply for this job. So I'm just going to copy this, copy it, go for here. Okay, just new charts. Okay, I would ask ChatGPT to. Okay, I'll start like this. Craft a convincing Upwork proposal to this client, outlining my skills in creating posters and also my high work rate and creativity. Okay, assuming you're a graphic designer, you just have to use this to you just have to use this to ask this to ChatGPT to give you a very good letter. Your letter, the quality of your letter depends on the quality of your prompt. So if you are as detailed as possible in your prompts, the two can go on to give you something. Uh-oh, sorry guys, just have to refresh. I'm using free ChatGPT for this tutorial, so we got to be facing this kind of thing. Let's see. Okay, it's as detailed as possible. Good. Okay, this offer letter is bomb, right? So assuming I am a graphic designer and I intend applying for this job, um, I will just have to ask ChatGPT to create this for me. Dear client, you replace this place with, you remove the bracket, you replace it with the client's name. In this case, what is this client's name? What is this client's username? Anyway, I can't find it. I can't find such information because I'm not logged in. So if I did, I was logged in, I would have seen the client's name. So assuming that the client's name is Peter, so here you should be dear Peter, blah 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 blah. Here you impute your number of years, your years of experience. For example, I have over 7 years of experience. And then you put your name at the end. That is, you copy this out, and maybe take it to a text editor. Yes, say text editor. Okay, here should be as if your client's name is Peter. Dear Peter, I have 7 years, 7 years of experience, and your name. If you send a client this thing, it's as detailed as possible. The client will like, wow, 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 wow. I think this guy is good, and maybe you guys will take it up from there. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Please do not fail to share, click the like button, and turn on notification for more videos like this. Thank you and God bless.